Attorney Tolentino ang abogado ni Kibuloy.
So it's not only about the situation na init. He is already 74, 75 years old, so init. Kahit music, walang music. Kahit social media, imagine kung wala kayong social media. Tingnan dito, ano maramdaman ninyo? So wala social media, walang TV, kahit music walang religious song.
Ang gusto yata ang kulungan ni Kibuloy ay yung parang 5-star hotel accommodation.
The PNP will submit to the discretion and wisdom po ng ating mga korte if they will recommend for his stay here, or if they will immediately issue a commitment order transferring him po sa Pasig City Jail, ay hindi po natin patatagalin po yan at susunod po tayo. Next naman po ay sinabit po. So mismong yung HSS po ay hindi po nabasa po kasi nakasil po yung envelope po at yun po yung pinasa po. At binigyan din po natin ng kopya yung mga prosecutor po ng DOJ po. So we will have to wait. We are anticipating na during the October 17 pre-trial po, probably this issue will be discussed and we'll see if the court will order for his transfer po sa BGNP Pasig po.
Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Pae.